Yes, I can hear you.
I think you're lagging.
No, I'm not lagging.
Am I lagging? Easy? Am
No,
I lag?
no.
No?
Good.
How about now? How about now? Good?
Good. Good.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. All right. So, Easy, how are you today?
Well, I'm fine. Good. Nothing bad.
Nothing bad?
Yeah,
Could you tell me with a number from 1 till 10? How good are you?
I think 9 lah.
Oh, 9. It's 9.
Yeah,
What made your day so interesting today, Easy?
because I fall.
You,
Yes.
you, you Paul?
Yeah, when I play football.
Oh, oh, play football?
Yeah,
The, okay, with your friend, right?
yeah. In my school.
Okay. Oh, in your school. That's great. Okay. How about what did you learn today? I mean, in your school. Could you tell me?
I learn mm,
You learn?
PPKN,
Mm-hmm. PPKN.
Indo, Bahasa Indo,
What? Bahasa Indo?
and
Okay.
seni rupa.
And
Ya, seni rupa.
seni rupa. Okay. Do you like all of that? I mean, all of the subjects. Do you like that, Easy?
Yeah, I like it.
Do you like that?
I like it.
Okay, okay. Okay, before we start your lesson today, do you want to play a game or you want to start the lesson directly?
Well, what's the game?
Well, I have many options here. We can play uh shooter game or Uno, you know Uno, easy, or a Spider-Man game or uh I don't know, car war maybe. I don't know how to call it, but yeah, I have many options here.
Okay,
It's racing game or much more.
I think
Okay, what do you want to play?
I think just Uno.
Or you do not want to play a game? What?
I think I want to play a game.
Uh, okay, what game do you want to play? Easy.
I
Let
think
me show you my screen. Could you see?
well, it's loading.
Okay, it's okay. How about now? Could you see? So this is the game that I, most of my time I spend my time to this game, shooter game. I think it's challenging for me, and I also play with my friends, easy. And Uno, and this is the Spider-Man, the simplest game I ever see, easy. And then we have another game if you want.
I
You
think
can choose any game. This is, mm-hmm.
I
Which
think
one?
it's Uno.
Uno? Oh, you know how to play Uno?
I'm very good.
Oh, okay. Woo. Interesting. Okay, easy. Let me share the link for you. Hold on. We have 5 till 7 minutes. So you do not worry. Hold on. Sekarang. You do not need to worry about it, okay? Hold on. Have you opened the platform easy?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can okay. It's slow. It's loading. Hold on. Am I lagging? All right, there we go. Okay, my name is Abi, easy, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. It's connecting. What the? What?
What?
Oh, come on. Can you? I think. Hold on, easy. Come on, bro. Come on. Okay, play with friend. Invite friends. All right. This is the link, easy.
Where is
You
it?
can. Okay, you can click that link, and I'm waiting.
Okay. Okay.
What's your name? Oops.
Well, I think the sign is like how to say it, how to write it.
You just need to waiting for that. Uh, uh eh, have you have have
Oh,
you entered the room? Easy.
yeah. Wait.
Okay.
I'm gonna write my name.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm waiting.
Wait, I'm gonna choose my avatar. Um. Okay. Okay.
All right. Your name is Master.
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get started. Okay, we have 7 minutes left. Oh, wait, what? What? Easy. What is your name?
Master.
Could you hit the start button? I couldn't hit the start button. What's wrong with?
Start. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Now you can. Okay. You can choose the place, easy.
Yeah. What is
The
it?
spot, excuse me. Yeah. Choose the empty one.
The empty.
And okay. Now we will play the game. Okay, easy. All right. Okay. I will start the game. 6. Okay, let's do it with 0. All right, easy. Your turn.
Okay. How to? How
You
to?
just need to click the card. Oh my god. You passed the turn, easy. Okay, RJ mana turns. Come on, RJ mana. Oh my god. Roti. It's weird name, but okay, let's go. Oh my god, my turn? Seriously? Come on. Easy? Let's choose green. How about green, easy? Come on, easy. Okay, 8. Okay, RJ mana. RJ mana and Rod, I think that's about easy, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, I'm so sorry, Izzy. I have to wait. What? Yeah, let's do it with green. Interesting. Interesting. Oh my God. Could you, Izzy? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, whose turn? Okay, my turn. My turn. Okay, Izzy, your turn.
Yes.
Okay, okay. That's great. Okay. Still, anything else? Mm, mm, mm. I have no idea. I don't have that card. Pipe.
Okay.
Pipe. Yellow and pipe, Izzy.
I have 5.
Thank you so much, Izzy. Okay. Whose turn? If
Well,
you want to,
oh, my turn, my turn.
whose turn, Izzy? Your turn, I guess.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
my
it's my God. Oh my God. Yeah, it's too slow.
Okay.
Okay, Z. I think it's enough, okay? It's enough to play the game. I'm so sorry we couldn't finish the game.
Okay.
Okay, you can out easy.
Okay.
Okay, now let me share my screen. I'm so sorry we couldn't finish the game, okay?
We have to add it. Okay.
Oh, you just need to click done.
Click the what?
Am I lagging, Easy? Or you lagging?
I'm lagging?
Am I lagging?
They're not.
Yeah, it's like you're lagging. It's like you're lagging. Or am I lagging?
They're not lagging.
Okay. Okay, easy. So today we will talk about interpol as our main topics. Okay? You know what is interpol in Indonesia, Easy?
Yeah.
What is interpol in Indonesia?
Well, I don't know.
You
Yeah.
don't know? It's like a space or a range. You know a range in Indonesia? Range. I mean, this the uh word. Have you heard about this? Range or interval. Interval. Have you heard one of them?
No, I think.
No?
Yeah, no.
No? All right. So we'll talk about interval, but but that's the second topic, but that's the main topic. Let's talk about perhitungan lisan first. Okay, Z? So I have something that's this is a great method that you can use later if you have a problem in your school. Okay, Z? So
Okay.
if I provide this question for you, Easy, how would you solve this problem? 43 plus 8 plus 7. Could you tell me? 43 tambah 8 tambah 7. How would you solve this problem?
I think.
I think it's who's lagging? Am I lagging or Easy lagging?
I'm lagging.
I think it's a little. It's a little. Okay. How would you solve this problem? Easy.
I think it's gonna be.
How would you solve this problem? It's pipe. Okay, it's gonna be 58. Now my question is, how did you do that? I mean, do you count 43 first plus 8, or you count 8 plus 7 first, or how? Could you tell me?
I think
How?
first
What did you count first? Mm-hmm.
I count 40 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7. No. I mean 40
40 plus
43
43
plus 7
plus
plus 3 and plus 8.
7 plus, okay, 43 plus 7 and then plus 8, like that. Easy. Okay, that's the great answer. Okay, I hope you answered like that. So if you face a problems like this, easy, completely like this. So if the operation is completely same, you use, you are using plus operation here. So you can choose the easiest number that you can count first. Like if you count 43 plus 8, this is not the easiest number, right? Easy. So if you want to make the way easier, you can choose 43 plus 7 first. So you can count them first. It's 50, right? Easy. And
Yeah.
then you just need to add the 50 with the rest number. And then the answer will be, yeah, 58. Do you copy?
Okay.
All right. Okay. The second question, easy. How about now? Faster, easy, faster. It's not like that. It's not like
Uh,
it's not like, okay. It's a
77.
77, exactly. So which number do you calculate first? Easy.
I calculate 57 plus 10
57
plus 10.
plus 16.
Yeah.
Oh, plus 10. Oh, where's the 10? What do you, oh, so it's like you break down the 16 into 10 and 6 like this, easy?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's new brilliant method. That's great. That's great, easy. Okay?
Okay.
That's great method. But if I were you, I also can do something like this. We can choose 16 and 4. Now, if you calculate 16 and 4, it will be 20, right? Easy. Now, it will be easy because 57 plus 20, it will 77.
Yeah.
Do you copy? Easy.
Yeah.
Do you copy?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the next thing is, how about now? The last thing about counting, and then let's move to the interval. Which number? Which number? Which number is that? I mean the first number.
79.
77?
79.
It's 79. Okay. Okay. Which number did you calculate first? Easy. Yeah, you're right. That is 79.
Yeah. 30 plus 30. It's 60. And then, well, yeah. Normal, different.
Okay. That's great. Way. Oh, okay. Appreciate your way, easy. That's great. And also you can do it like this because 2 plus 38 will produce a tens. I mean, the tens is 40. So you can now make it easier. 39 plus 40 is 79. Like that. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have question for this method?
No, I think.
No question. Okay. Now the next thing, let's talk about range or interval. This is the second topic that we will talk about. Okay, easy. So imagine easy, you have something like this. Okay, so you have 4 cubes. Okay, easy, 4 cubes. Now the question is how many space between this cube? How many spaces you will have if you have 4 cubes like this?
1, 2, 3.
It's 3 spaces. Exactly right. Now, how if you have 2 cubes? How many space?
1.
How many spaces do you have?
1.
It's 1. How about 3 cubes?
2.
It's 2. Okay, how about 4?
It's 3.
It's 3. Okay. How if you have easy 100 cubes? How many spaces do you have? If you have 100 cubes, imagine that. Now the question is, how many spaces will you have?
99.
It's a
99.
exactly right. So the formula, yes, exactly. You're right about that. So the simple formula is, if you have the cubes, to count the space, you just need to make it how many cubes do you have? That's 100 minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So if you have n cube, now to see how many spaces do you have, you just need to say n minus 1. This is the formula. Do you copy? Easy.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you have, let's say 87 cubes, means that 87 minus 1, oh, I have 86 spaces. Like that, easy.
Okay.
Do you copy?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this is the question for this logic, or we call it a interval or range. Ahmad membuat karangan bunga dari bendera berwarna. Pertama, ia mengikatkan 9 bendera biru pada seutas tali. Kemudian di antara masing-masing 2 bendera biru, dia memasang 1 bendera merah. Pertanyaannya adalah berapa banyak bendera merah pada karangan bunga, berapa banyak bendera yang dipasang Ahmad di tali. Oke, easy. So, oops. Basically,
Yeah.
wait, easy. Could you tell me?
What?
Oops. Hold on. I couldn't. Oh my God. I couldn't do something. What? Okay, easy. So Ahmad, oh my God. Hold on. I will change my provider, easy. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. For a second. I will change the provider. Okay.
What?
Easy?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes. I can hear you.
Okay. Now about the question, easy.
Yeah.
Let me. Oh my God. Oke. Ahmad. Oke. Ntar dulu ya. So, Ahmad membuat karangan bunga dari bendera berwarna. Oke, Zi?
Yes.
Can you see that?
Yes.
Oke. Pertama, ia mengikatkan 9 bendera biru pada seutas tali. Kemudian di antara masing-masing dua bendera, dia memasang satu bendera merah. Pertanyaannya, berapa banyak bendera merah pada karangan bunga? Berapa banyak bendera yang dipasang Ahmad di tali? So the first is how many the red flags, and then how many the total flags is it? Could you tell me? This is the description.
Bang.
Ampun, internetnya kenapa ini ya?
One.
One. Uh, what do you mean one, is it?
Mm, the
Mm-hmm.
answer?
The answer is one.
Yeah,
Could you tell me how would you do that?
because
Because
oh, eight.
it's 8. Okay. Can you tell me how? Where 8 comes from? Easy. Where did you get the number? So if Ahmad ties 9 blue flags, right? Easy on a string. We can select that. Then how many space uh will Ahmad has? Easy. Could you tell me? How many space?
Well, Ahmad have eight.
It's 8, right? So you just need to 9 minus 1, right? That's the space. Right,
Yeah.
Easy? Now the question is, how many red flags are there on the grand land? Excuse me, garland. Should be garland.
Yeah.
And the next question is, how many flags did Ahmad put on the string? Easy. So the answer is for the red flags, we have 8. You write easy, and then this is the visualization. And then for the total, you just need to count 8 plus 9. Means that now Ahmad will have 8 plus 9 is 17 flags in total. Okay, easy?
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the next question, easy. How about this? And then let's go to the platform. Let's do your task. Okay. Now, Krista menaruh semua bonekanya secara berurutan. Kemudian di antara kedua boneka itu, ia menempatkan satu anak beruang. Berapa banyak boneka yang dimiliki Krista jika ada 6 ekor anak beruang yang duduk di antara keduanya? Oke, easy. So, Krista has 6, we can say, I think am I lagging, easy?
No.
Ini apakah saya yang nge-lag atau easy ya? Soalnya dari tadi putus-putus.
Who, me?
Oh my God. Okay, easy. Could you tell me the answer?
Wait.
So, mm-hmm. So the question, if we simplify it, it's like you have 6 cubes, easy.
Oh, 7?
Oh, no, it's not 6 cubes. You have 6 spaces. Yeah, exactly right.
7.
So the question is, it's kind of the opposite right now. If you have the spaces, now could you tell me how many cubes do you have? Yeah, it's 6 plus 1. It's 7. Exactly right, easy. Do you got it?
Yeah.
You got it, easy?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. Now, let's do your turn. You can share your screen, easy. Let's, oh my God. Kayaknya
Okay.
kita berdua ya yang lagging ini, easy.
Okay, I'm sharing.
Okay, now I can see your screen. Okay, now log into Algonova, sign into.
Wait. This.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then?
Okay. Did you remember?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. Okay. Uh,
Okay. Okay.
Okay, lesson 4, easy. Okay, you can. Mm-hmm. Lesson 4.
That was in 4.
Okay, now you can do yeah, you can choose number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4 first. Okay, depends on you. You don't need to do it from number 1 and then number 2. No, you can choose anything you want. Okay.
Okay. Same.
Easy.
Yeah. What?
Okay, number 1. Okay, let's get started. Easy.
I think number 1. Okay. Okay.
Okay, 16 plus 2 plus 28. If I were you, I will count 2 plus 28. It's 30. Now 30 plus 16 will be,
46?
it's gonna be, yeah, exactly right. Now 7 plus 5 plus 53. You can count 7 plus 53 first, it's 60, and plus 5. It's gonna be
65.
exactly right. Faster, easy, faster. Come on.
Okay.
I, 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 I don't know. What are you doing? I went faster, like, uh, okay, see. 4 plus 8 plus 36. Yeah, let's choose 4 and 36 first.
I think this is wrong.
It's 40, right? Now 40 plus 8, it's 48. This is okay. What is that then? It's a
This is wrong. So 77, 71, 76. Yeah,
Are you sure that was wrong?
I think, yeah. I mean,
oh, oh yeah, yeah. I can see that. I can see that. It's completely wrong. Yeah. Yeah. But okay, see how about now? 4 plus 8 plus 36. Let's choose 4 and 36 first.
48,
It's 40. Exactly right. 68 plus 9 plus 2.
79,
Exactly. 79. 42 plus 47 plus 3.
2,
92. 7 plus 41 plus 9. 57. The last 56 plus 23 plus 4.
70, 76. Oh, okay.
Gonna be 83. Exactly. Next question.
I will press this.
I mean, yeah. Yow. That's great, easy. Okay. The second part.
Okay.
Oke. Sebutkan semua bilangan yang lebih besar dari 79. Oke, Z. Now from all of the answers, could you tell me the number that bigger than 79?
This. Yeah.
Enough?
Yeah, enough.
Enough? Why don't you add 79 also, Easy?
Because it says bigger than 17.
Bigger, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, instead 79 is same, right? It's not bigger. Okay. Great. Okay. The green button, Easy.
Okay.
All right. Oke, now tell me Easy. Sebutkan semua angka yang tidak kurang dari angka 79. Oke, you know what is the what's the meaning of uh tidak kurang atau we can say like yeah, you have to do something like math I can say it's like math sentence Easy. So if you pay something like this later, Easy, it means that you need to find the number that greater than or equal to 79. Okay? That's the meaning of tidak kurang. Or not, yeah, greater than or equal to 79.
Okay, I think this.
Yeah, it's pretty okay. Now Easy, you can checklist the answer.
Okay.
Okay, Easy. Now if I excuse me, Easy. If I yeah, can you go back? If I kind of change the question, I will say, is it please tell me numbers that not greater than 79? Could you tell me what's the answer? Not greater than 79.
74.
Nanti kalau dia yang tidak lebih 74,
74, 46, 65, 48, 57. Yeah.
Okay. Did you add 79 also Easy?
Mm,
Did you add some?
I think, yeah.
Okay. Yes, exactly right, Easy. So the statement not greater than or not less than easy, it means that the opposite of that, okay?
Okay.
Jadi kalau tidak kurang dari itu artinya easy nanti cari angka yang lebih dari sama dengan angka itu. Kemudian yang tidak lebih dari itu berarti easy cari yang kurang dari sama dengan angka itu. Do you copy?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay, you can go to the next number. Easy.
3. Okay. Okay.
Oke, sebutkan bilangan terbesar yang digit pertamanya kurang dari digit kedua. Oke, so if we talk about digit right now, could you please tell me easy which number has yeah, it should be two digits of numbers and the first digit should be less than the second digit, easy. Now, which number is that? Could you tell me?
I think 79 and 62. 92.
It says the biggest number, but it has a condition then. The condition is the first digit should be greater than the second digit. Okay, so you need to find the biggest number first from all of that numbers.
There.
Where is that? 92, right? Now, is that right? 9 is greater than, excuse me, is that right, easy? 9 is less than 2.
No.
Is that right?
No.
Not right. It means that that's false number. That's not the number. Now choose the other number, easy.
Oh.
Okay, 48.
46.
Okay, now 48. Is that right? 4 is less than 8, easy?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but 48 it's not yeah, but 48 it's not the biggest number, right, easy?
Yeah.
So the biggest number from your answer is 70.
79.
It's 7 exactly right. So that's the answer because it met the condition also. 7 is less than 9 based on the condition. Yeah. So no, excuse me, easy. The answer is 79, only 79. It says the biggest number. The biggest means it's just one. Okay.
Okay.
So you can, you know, put back the 57, 48, and 46.
Okay.
All right, easy. Yep, exactly. Okay. Next part, easy.
What will I press?
No. I mean, go back. You can hit the left arrow button.
Okay.
Left arrow button.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Now number 2.
Number 2. Okay.
Yep. Okay. Next with the yellow button.
Yeah.
Wow, that's big dog.
Okay, and then?
Oh, the name of the dog is Toby. Toby. Next. Selanjutnya. All right, easy. Now, this is the question. Ought memasang ubin, easy.
Yeah.
Ya Allah, lagging banget.
Okay.
Let me see the question.
Okay.
Can you hear me, Izzy?
Yes.
Can you hear me right now?
Yes.
Izzy, you can stop your camera to
Search.
minimize the lagging. No,
What?
no, no. Your camera. You can turn off your camera.
How? Well, how? What will I press?
Uh, um, never mind, Izzy.
Okay.
It's loading. Oh my God, it's loading on my own. Seriously? Come on. What's wrong with the Wi-Fi? We have fixed the Wi-Fi, but it's still lagging like this. Come on. Okay, Z. What's the answer? He puts. Okay. So 10 means the cube's easy. And then the question is how many space do you have? It should be
Yeah. Okay.
okay, Easy. Could you hear me, Easy?
Yes.
Okay. Now could you tell me the answer?
Okay.
So it is Odd sedang memasang ubin. Yeah, Odd is lying, you can say tiles maybe. And he places 10 white tiles in a row and then puts one red tile between two adjacent tiles. The
Okay.
question is, berdekatan, yeah. Two adjacent tiles. The question is, how many tiles, how many red tiles there did Odd should be have right now, easy. Can you tell me?
9.
Yeah, it's 9. Exactly right. Because we have 10 white tiles. Exactly easy. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. The next question. Madame Rosa sedang menanam bunga di petak bunga bundar. Oke. Pertama, ia menanam 6 bunga yakut merah muda dalam sebuah lingkaran. Lalu di antara 2 bunga yakut, ia menanam 1 bunga dafodil kuning. Easy. Tunjukkan pada diagram bagaimana bunga-bunga disusun di petak bunga Madame Rosa. Okay, Madame Rosa is planting flowers in around flower bed. Yep. Okay, like that is exactly. First, she plants 6 pink yakut merah in a circle. Then, between 2 dead flowers, she plants 1 yellow daffodil. Easy. Okay, now how would you do that? So you should put the pink should has a space between the pink, easy. So you should add 6 pink flowers first, easy.
What? Okay.
Six pink flowers. Mm-hmm. And they should has a space, easy. They
Oh,
should, yeah, have a space. Yeah, they should have a. Yep, exactly like that. And okay, uh, okay, okay, easy. Uh, yeah, I think, yeah, you should. Yep, exactly. Okay, okay. Yeah, you're right. No, you're right. The first one is right. Yep,
yes. Yes.
yep. Okay, now it's four. Now you need two laps. Easy.
Labs again.
Yeah, again, it says six Yakult merah muda, six pink Yakult. Okay, and then yep. Okay, now between two Yakult, you should add the yellow flower. Easy, the yellow flower. Yep, one, two, three. It's four,
Okay.
five, and
6.
so easy. My question for you: if the case in a circle like this, easy, okay, so it will have the same space and the same cube. It's like that, easy, okay. It's not like if 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 you put something in a line or a string, okay, that's not same, okay, easy.
Okay.
Okay, now next, easy, you can checklist the button. Okay, now the second part is, I don't know.
Okay.
What's the second part? Berapa banyak bunga yang ditanam Madame Rosa di petak bunga? Okay, could you tell me, easy, the total flowers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many?
12.
Okay, it's 12 or 6 plus 6. Okay, easy? Okay. Next question, easy. All right. Now, aduh. Ewan menghiasi jalan setapak di taman. Dia menempatkan beberapa kerikil secara berderet. And then ia meletakkan, sebentar. Dia menempatkan beberapa kerikil secara, dia menempatkan beberapa kerikil secara meletakkan. It's, excuse me.
Yeah.
Um, it's weird.
Okay. Yeah, what you are right.
Okay, easy.
Yeah.
Ewan is decorating a pet in the garden. Now he places several pebbles in a row. He then puts a shell between every two pebbles, I guess, with a total is 20 shells, easy. Okay, the question is, how
Yeah.
many pebbles? It should be easy. Could you tell me?
Well,
Aduh.
it's a little bit weird.
It's a little bit, why? Easy.
Like, I mean, the question, like, blah, blah, blah,
The,
blah, blah. Yeah.
yeah, it's a little bit weird. Dia kemudian meletakkan secara berderet. Dia kemudian meletakkan kerang di antara dua kerikil dengan total 12 kerang. Oh, now it means that now you have two spaces, easy. The question is, how many uh pebbles do you have? Easy.
Pebbles?
Yeah, kerikil. So yeah. So you have Izzy punya 12 kerang dan kerang itu kan ditempatkan di antara kerikil, pebbles. The question is if you have it's like you have 20 space right now. The question is how many cubes would you have if you have 12 spaces? Easy.
11?
It's a no, easy. Remember that the space, if you have the space, the formula is the opposite, easy.
13.
Exactly right. It's 13.
Okay, and then
Boom. Tada. Okay. The next question is, saat agen khusus sedang bekerja di kebun, Madame Rosa memutuskan untuk membuatkan kue. Oke. And then pertama ia membuat 7 mawar putih dari krim dan dalam bentuk lingkaran. Kemudian di antara kedua mawar itu ia membuat mawar merah. Berapa banyak mawar merah yang dibuat Madame Rosa? Berapa banyak bunga mawar pada kue yang dia hias? Oke, easy. So, the question is, um, how many red roses did Madame Rosa make? That's the first question. And how many roses are there on the cake she decorated? Easy. Could you tell me? First, remember easy. First, she made 7 white roses out of cream in the shape of circle. Interesting. Then between each pair of roses, she made a red rose. The question is how many red roses did Madame Rosa make? And how many roses are there on the cake she decorated? She has been decorated. Okay, easy.
okay.
Do you got it? Jadi dia, what do you think, Easy? Kemudian di antara kedua mawar itu dia membuat mawar merah. She made 7 red roses. Dia punya 7 mawar putih. Oke. 7 white roses dari krim dengan bentuk lingkaran. Oke. Oke, Easy. Remember that if the case is a circle, it means that the cubes and the spaces should be same. Okay, Easy?
Okay.
That's the special case. Okay. Now, Easy. If you have 7 white roses with a cream, of course, the question is how many? And you put the red rose between 2 white roses. The question is how many red rose should you have? Easy.
Red roses.
What?
What?
Yeah, it says first she makes 7 white roses from cream, okay? In a circle. Remember that this is the special case. Jadi dia membuat 7 mawar menggunakan krim dan bentuknya lingkaran in a circle. The next is di antara kedua mawar itu, it means that between 2 white roses, she puts red rose. Easy. Now the question is, how many red rose should be?
2.
Where did 2 comes from? Where did 2 come from? Easy. Could you tell me?
8.
8. Okay. Could you tell me why?
Yeah, because that is the formula. Hey.
Oh, yeah. But now you are in a special case, Easy. It's a circle. Remember that. If you have a circle case, means that the number of cubes is equal with the number of spaces. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you have seven cubes, easy, how many spaces will you have?
8.
Oh, it should be 7. Okay? Because it's a circle. Yep. Now, the next question is how many roses? The total roses, how many right now? How many white roses do you have, easy?
7.
Okay, and then the red one?
7.
Okay, now the total should be
18.
Oh yeah, okay. Okay. That's exactly right. Boom. Yep. Next question, easy. Okay. Oh, this is the last one, maybe. And then let's take a break. Okay, easy. Again. Madame Rosa again, easy. Okay, easy. Yeah. I need you to try first, easy.
Okay. 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 Yeah, I can do it.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay.
Okay, and then
I, I think I'm so sorry, Izzy. Could you see the question? Pertama dia menanam apel. Yes, that's right. And kemudian dia menanam satu pohon pir. Okay, pir is the yellow, right?
yeah.
And kemudian dia menanam pohon tangga. Dia menanam pohon ceri. Yeah, okay, that's right. Now, yeah, okay. After that, after the cherry, it should be pear. No, it should be pear.
Pear.
And then apple. And then cherry again. Oops. And then what? The pattern is pear again. Yep, exactly right. Easy.
Pear. Apple.
That's right. Okay, checklist the button. Boom. Okay. Wait, what? Okay, easy. The next question is go down. Wait, what?
What is part 3?
Okay. This is this is the funny question. Dia bilang berapa banyak pohon sakura yang ditanam Madame Rosa? There is no sakura tree, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Let's use cherry then. I think it's cherry. I think the question means cherry. Okay, how many cherry trees? Easy.
4.
It's
4.
okay. Now you can add 4.
Okay.
All right. Okay, why why isn't why it's not green, is it? Oh, because the first one you're not right. Okay, okay. Okay, that should be the answer. Okay. That's fine. That's fine, easy. But overall you're brilliant. Okay, easy. I think it's enough for today. Okay? You can stop your screen sharing.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, easy. I need you, later you can continue your task. It's not task or neither not homework, easy, okay? So yeah, you just need to practice. I need you to do that. But it depends on you again, okay? Now, could you tell me, easy? Let's take a recap. What did you learn today?
Well, I have one. Interval.
Interval? Okay. Interval. Okay. Yeah, you're right about that. Interval. Now, could you tell me, Easy, how to let's make the assumption with a cube again.
Okay.
So could you tell me, Easy, if you have nine 989 cubes, how many spaces should you have?
What?
If you if you had 100 cubes, how many spaces should you have?
99.
99. Okay, now the next question is, if you have 97 spaces, how many cubes should you have?
98.
98. Okay, so basically, if you have the cubes, if you want to find the space, what's the formula, Easy?
-1.
-1. And then if you want to find the cubes,
+1.
+1. How about the special case in a circle? How many cubes? How could we find the cubes? And the space, of course.
We plus it?
No, it's same, okay? The cube's number, it's same with the space number. Okay, Z? So if you have 5 cubes, remember that in a circle cases, this is a special case, okay?
Okay.
So if you have 5 cubes and you put them in a circle, okay,
Yeah.
means that you will have 5 spaces also. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I think that's enough for today. Thank you so much, Izzy. By the way, that's great way. I mean, how you count the number. You break down the number. You do not forget our previous method. That's great, Izzy. I like that. Appreciate that. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much for today, Izzy. Appreciate your hard work today. And you wanna tell me something first?
No, watching.
Okay. And I'm so sorry if my connection maybe it's bad, Izzy. I'm so sorry for that. I have changed my provider with the best provider in Indonesia, but I don't know, maybe my place is not right for that provider.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. I'm so sorry for that. Okay. See you in the next week, Izzy. Bye bye.
Bye.